Learning at Linsly is not just accomplished between 8 and 3 each day, but is instead an extended form of learning. We actively look to engage with our students in means that encourage them to become self-directed learners. Sometimes this is met through the traditional extension of homework, but more importantly, we engage with our kids to get them to explore the world around them with an eye of curiosity. Oftentimes, we learn these student discoveries through our side conversations in advisory, at lunch, on the practice field, on stage, or just in passing one another. Our goal is that students will see us as more than just, oh, there goes Mr. Holt, my social studies teacher. Instead, we hope they see us as, oh, there goes Mr. Holt, who knows that I enjoy working on cars, fishing, reading, acting, etc. These professional relationships allow us to build rapport with our kids that exceed a simple classroom-teacher relationship. Because of this, the talks I have with my high school students remain as strong as when I engaged with them in my classroom as 5th and 7th grade students. This is my favorite part of being a Linsly teacher, the fostering of a love of learning and building bonds with students that continue beyond the classroom. I often think of the African proverb of it taking a village, and it is that mindset that we are all in this together from grade 5 through senior graduation and beyond that makes Linsly a special place, a place I love calling home.
To me, learning at Linsly is having a commitment to expand your education. Linsly prides itself on education, and we are committed to excellence in the classroom. One thing that I have noticed since starting at Linsly is how excited students are as they walk in the classroom. Teachers go above and beyond to plan lessons that are engaging as well as interactive, and we do everything in our power to prepare students for what they'll experience in college and beyond. Character traits are an important part of the Linsly education. Students will learn valuable lessons that require them to strive for excellence in communication, collaboration, critical thinking, technological literacy, creativity, inquiry, and leadership. The Linsly education really stands out, and you will be setting your child up for success as soon as he or she walks through the doors. The relationship between faculty and students is a special bond that gets stronger by the day at Linsly. The smaller class sizes are very beneficial in the teacher-student relationship because it gives us a great chance in getting to know our students on a more personal level throughout the year. I think this really shows the students how much we truly care about them. Every faculty member goes the extra mile to get to know their students. It is not uncommon to see many faculty members in the stands or audience to watch students compete on the athletic field or in school plays. After watching a game, students will come up to me the following day after to say thank you. One of my favorite parts of the job at Linsly is being a part of the advisory program, which requires teachers to oversee the same 8 to 10 students every day. The advisory program at Linsly is a way for teachers to build a special bond with their students, and it allows us to watch over them as well as guide them on the right path during their time at Linsly. We set goals with our students at the beginning of the year with hopes of meeting our goals by the time the school year ends. I really enjoy that we get to see our advisory group every single day. We get to share stories, laughs, and it is so much fun getting to hear about their day, and that they trust coming to me if they ever have a problem. As an advisor, it is important that they know how much we care about their success. One of my favorite parts of the job is that Linsly allows me the chance to teach as well as coach. I've loved sports ever since I was young, and coaching at Linsly allows me to live out a dream. I get to build on the relationship I have with my students at school, and I help students grow as athletes. Linsly has helped mold me into the teacher and coach I've always wanted to be, and it's a special place to work. I'm extremely grateful that I get to work at Linsly.
Hello, my name is Sarah Ochap, and this is my 15th year teaching middle school students at Linsly. It is an incredible privilege to teach here, I must say. I am a teacher here in title, but I like to consider myself a coach. I'm always amazed by how excited kids are to come to one of my after-school practices, whether it be soccer or track practice. The smiles on their face and their relaxed, engaged countenance is kind of moving because they want to be there. They want to play and they want to have fun. So knowing this, I designed my classroom structure in the same way that I design a practice because I want them to want to come to class. I figured it out, and I figured out if I became their coach, that it would work that way. I coach them into mathematical understanding, into expression, and into emotional understanding as well. Putting myself on an accessible level is of the utmost importance because learning that is approachable creates coachable kids. It's my philosophy. And knowing that it is safe and encouraged to be a learner at Linsly makes my job all the more easy. Once students view me as their coach, I stay their coach until I become their mentor. And the nuance there is everything. Coaching is more performance-based, but when I'm able to earn their trust, our working relationship takes on new shape. By the end of the year, I have an honest understanding of each student. Linsly has afforded me the opportunity to develop each student as a whole person. It allows for me to promote academic excellence and talk about the rewards and recompense of lifelong learning. This culture really does develop future leaders. Our Dean of Students here at school frequently tells our students, there are two things the world cannot take from you, your character and your education. That really stuck with me, and it hits at the core of what we are trying to do here.
Ready for more?